Start by understanding the background of Falcis III v. Civil Registrar-General. In this landmark case, petition was filed before the Supreme Court of the Philippines, challenging the constitutionality of certain provisions in the Family Code. These provisions defined marriage strictly as a union between a man and a woman. The petitioner, Falcis III, argued that this definition was discriminatory and sought to have it declared unconstitutional. This case quickly drew national attention as it touched on the sensitive and evolving issue of same-sex marriage rights in the country. The legal challenge set the stage for a broader discussion about equality, civil rights, and the role of the judiciary in addressing social change. Central issue in this case was whether the Philippine Constitution protects the right to same-sex marriage. The petitioner questioned if limiting marriage to heterosexual couples violated constitutional guarantees of equality and liberty. This question was not just about legal definitions, but also about the broader implications for LGBTQ+ rights in the Philippines. The case forced the court to consider whether existing laws were in step with modern understandings of human rights and dignity. However, before the court could address these substantive questions, it had to determine if the case met the requirements for judicial review, such as the presence of an actual controversy and the proper standing of the petitioner. Ultimately, the Supreme Court dismissed the petition, but not on the grounds many expected. Instead of directly addressing the constitutionality of same-sex marriage, the court focused on procedural issues. It ruled that the petition did not meet the standards for judicial review because there was no actual case or controversy, and the petitioner lacked proper standing. This meant that the court could not rule on the substantive issue of same-sex marriage. The decision underscored an important doctrine in constitutional law. Courts can only decide real, concrete disputes, not abstract or hypothetical questions. This outcome left the question of same-sex marriage unresolved, highlighting the need for future cases with proper standing and actual controversy to bring the issue back before the court.